Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with dry or slightly damp hair so the product penetrates, not just coats. Section hair into 4-6 parts and measure 1-2 tablespoons of Palmer's olive oil deep conditioner per section. This ensures even coverage. Work from roots to ends on each small subsection. Apply slowly so you can feel the slip. Once done with one side, move to the next. Make sure to massage the product gently into the scalp for circulation and strand absorption. You now focus on distribution and heat to maximize deep conditioning. After applying, comb each section once to distribute the conditioner from roots to ends, then cover with a plastic cap. Heat opens the cuticle so the olive oil formula penetrates. Sit under a steamer or leave a warm towel around your head for 15-30 minutes. Alternatively, use a hair dryer on low for 5-7 minutes and rewrap. This step increases softness and slip, so make sure the heat is warm, not burning. You finish by rinsing thoroughly with cool to lukewarm water until the water runs clear. Cooler water helps seal the cuticle and lock in moisture. Gently blot excess water with a towel, do not rub, and either air dry or style as you normally would, using minimal heat. If your hair ever feels heavy or greasy after conditioning, make sure to rinse longer, use less product next time, or dilute with a small amount of water. That's the key troubleshooting tip to prevent buildup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.